Good day from Chem Help ASAP. Let's discuss how we can learn about the current drug discovery and drug development landscape by reviewing a company's drug pipeline. Upon completion of this video, students will be able to list the common areas of research as defined by pharmaceutical companies and contrast differences in the pipelines across multiple large drug companies. A pipeline encompasses the overall research efforts of a company, and the term pipeline is often encountered in the pharmaceutical industry, although many other industries also use the term. If you visit the webpage of almost any drug company, whether a large pharmaceutical company or a small biotech, you'll find a page that describes the company pipeline. The page gives the summary of the current research programs in that company and gives a snapshot of what the management of that company feels are areas of opportunity. In the next 3 slides, we'll look at the number of active projects at 3 large companies, 3 of the largest drug companies in the world based on their revenues in 2021. Our first company, Company X, lists their projects in 6 different areas: inflammation, which includes immunological disorders, internal medicine, which ranges from diabetes to cardiovascular disorders to neurological diseases, oncology, it's cancer, vaccines, including COVID, anti-infectives, whether viral, bacterial, or fungal, and rare diseases, including neglected tropical diseases. For this company, the largest area of research is oncology, trailed by inflammation and immunological disorders. Vaccines are next, but I do feel that number of projects is not representative and inflated because of COVID. As you can see, there is a range of advancement for the projects. In general, more projects are in phases 1 and 2, with fewer in phase 3 or undergoing approval. So this is just one company's allocation of research resources. Let's see another large company. Our second company, Company Y, uses 7 categories for its research projects: immunology, infections, metabolic, neuroscience, oncology, ophthalmology, and other. So the categories are similar but somewhat different. There are no rules that govern the distinctions. 2 things stand out as distinct from Company X. First, the infectious disease programs are not further described based on the stage of the research. That's kind of interesting. Second, the largest area of research by far is oncology. Apparently, this company feels that oncology is clearly the best opportunity. Company Y also has quite a bit more activity in neuroscience than Company X, which puts its neuroscience research under the heading of internal medicine. So we can see that every company determines its own areas of emphasis. Now let's see Company Z. In Company Z, we again see that oncology is the main focus, trailed by immunology and neuroscience. Company Z is the only one of the 3 that has a specific category for aesthetics. Drugs in this category would include drugs like Botox, which reduces visible wrinkles. One might argue that these drugs do not address a critical unmet medical need, but there is a market for them. If there is a consensus across all of these company pipelines, it is that oncology seems to be a main driver of R&D investment. Through this video, we have seen research pipelines of 3 different large pharmaceutical companies and highlighted their differences and similarities. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Please subscribe, leave a like, or make a comment. Questions are also always welcome. Take care.